Okay, so the easiest way to do this is when these come, they come like this, okay? That's your retainer. That's so that it can't pop out when your wires are in there. So, okay. So, pop that. Okay, so you pull that out. Then if you look down in there, you'll see there's little clips right here that sit on each one. Okay, so if you just take your pick and stick it in there, out comes the wire. See it? Put it back in. And you should hear a click, and then it's stuck in there. So once again, you just you see how the clip is sitting in there? Okay. You're just going to take your pick or your special tool and just pry back on it just a hair as you're pulling on it. So we'll do this guy here. Okay. So that's the gray wire. So I'm going to have a little bit of tension on it. I'm just going to stick that down in. Oop. Come on, buddy. Work with me here. And you'll actually feel it when it lifts. And there's the gray wire. And then before you put it back in, you can go back in and just make sure that's seated. Okay, and just give it a little push. And then you'll actually hear the click when it goes back in and it's locked in place. And then all you do is drop the red thing back in and you're done. Okay, so different connectors have different retainers. That one has this red one that you pull up from there. This one looks like it's that red one in the center. This one has that triangle piece, and that would be fun to get out of there. But every single one of the connectors, no matter what they are, have a retainer. This one doesn't look like it has a retainer, but you can still see the tabs. You need to pry on a little bit to pull them out. So that's how you do those connectors.